this video, I would like to show you how to make a phone holder. Hope you enjoy and happy watching.
So, to make a beautiful phone holder, you need some tools and materials like glue, scissors to cut the object, and then prepare your pencil. And we also need cardboard, cotton, and the last one is white fabric. The first thing that we have to do is we have to make a pattern. Then cut the cardboard according to the pattern that you want. In this video, I choose to make a rainbow shape. And you have to make the same shape as many as 9 pages. And then you have to divide it into 3 groups. Choose one of the 3 groups and draw the outline of the bottom of your phone. Don't forget to draw the bottom according to the handphone charger. And then cut it carefully. Now, for one of the other group, we have to glue every part of the group like this. Then, glue the first piece with the main part. Don't forget to repeat it for the other side. Next, you have to glue one more group with the main part and make sure that everything is properly glued. The next step is to prepare a white fabric to coat the outside of the phone holder. Make sure that you glue the fabric neatly. Prepare the core roof according to the color of the rainbow, which are red, yellow, green, blue, and purple. After that, you have to glue the core roof around the shape of the rainbow and make sure that everything is glued beautifully and neatly. You can start from the red color and then yellow, the next is green, blue, and purple. For the last decoration, we add white cotton as a cloud. Yay! Finally, your beautiful phone holder is done and ready to use.
video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget